Hello my friends, and welcome back to another unboxing. Today we are unboxing the Comica Micro Compact Directional Condenser Shotgun Video Microphone. Boy, that's a mouthful. This is the CVM VM102, I guess. So it works with GoPro, smartphones, cameras. Yes, so let's get started here. Alright. Okay, so that came out there. Come on. Alright. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, that's it for the box. Now we have this pretty sweet looking little case here. So we have instructions. Set it off. Okay, little notice there. Alright, so first off, this is a pretty sweet little case. It's got that, I don't know, it just feels cool. It's got kind of that leathery plastic feel, but anyways, nice little case. Let's see what's inside here, shall we? Dun, 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 dun. Alright, so first off, what do we got here? That's the microphone itself. So it's fairly small, about the size of my finger, I guess. Nice little foam case here. There's a little cover for the microphone. What else we got in here? Something that's not food. Don't eat the gel packs. Alright, we have a mount for the microphone. Okay, in the back part here, we have, let's see here, so different adapters. This one is for the smartphone, and this one says it's for camera, so camera and smartphone, slightly different there. And these cords, maybe 2 feet long there, 2.5. Alright, least but not last. Oh, it's in a little baggie. That's pretty cool. Okay. We have dun 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 dun. It looks like one of those you know, the hair that the gnomes had back in the day. Anyways, that's the little microphone cover here, wind reducer. So that would go over your microphone, something like that. Okay, so first glance, this all appears to be quite well done. Sometimes you could tell how good an item is by its packaging, not necessarily, but if it has really shoddy packaging, maybe your product won't be that good. This one has, it seems to be done really nice, quite professionally actually. Everything is nicely tucked in there. It appears to be fairly sturdy. Alright, so this is like a plastic, maybe a metallic thing. The mount seems to be fairly sturdy as well. Okay, we're putting that back in there. And that is that, my friends. The unboxing. This is compatible with your smartphone, GoPro. I have a Nikon I'm going to be hooking this up to. I'll be testing it in the wind. Make sure everything works good. This is just the unboxing. I will be doing a demonstration video later on. So thanks for watching, my friends, and we will see you next time. As always, I'll put a link to this product in the description below. You can pick it up on Amazon. So have a great day, everybody. Alright, friends, so I have the Comica microphone here and a LG cell phone. It's a little windy outside, so what we're going to do is we're going to make a couple videos showing you the phone audio with just the phone microphone. Then we're going to do the Comica phone, microphone with just the microphone, and then we're going to use with the different ends on there and play the video for you on here and see what kind of sound difference we have. So stay tuned. I'm going to go make those recordings and we'll be back. Okay, so I made 4 different recordings here real quick, and we're going to let you listen to it so you can know what it sounds like. So I find that the microphone is actually better than the phone microphone, it seems like. And with the wind, not the muff, but the other thing on there, the foam one, it seems to work the best, not the little one that looks like a rodent. Anyways, let's go ahead and play this video here. You can hear the sounds for yourself. Alright, so here we are in the backyard, and this is just the regular phone microphone. Well, the wind has died down a little bit. I was hoping that it would be a little bit windier, and there would have some kind of a, audio distortion. There's picking up a little bit. So sometimes you're on a windy day and you can't really hear anything but the. So this is just the regular phone microphone here. You can hear the phone, the wind a little bit with that one. Alright, now we are back. The wind's picked up a little bit, which is good for our experiment here. Just kind of scanning the backyard. So I have the Comica microphone hooked up without wind protection or the muff on there. So that is what you're listening to right now. And we'll go put the different end cap on there real quick and see if that makes a difference here. Okay, that was really distorted. Alright, this is with the wind screen, the mic wind screen on. Got the proper terminology here. It's a little black foam piece, so we have that on there right now. And the wind's died down just a tad, so maybe I'll have to go to the beach or something, make a different video where you got some wind really whipping. So that's that. Let's go put on the wind muff now. I didn't even hear the wind with that one. Okay, my friends, final test here with the mic wind muff. It's the one that looks like a little mouse there on the end. So we are talking normally here. The wind, it's probably a mild wind of less than 15 miles an hour here. So that's what we got going on right now. Now I guess I'm going to watch this video and record this to see if we can notice any differences here. So then we'll go on with the final review. Alright, so just from watching that, I believe the microphone sounds better when it's plugged in. Clearly, without the windscreen, it was really distorted. That was the second clip we watched there. The wind shield, that thing worked like a charm. I couldn't even hear the wind there. So that's the foam, the black foam part that goes over the end. And with the wind muff, you can still kind of hear it a little bit. So I definitely think the windshield, is that what it's called? Windshield? Is the little foam one is definitely the best as far as for being out in the wind. Like I said, I didn't notice any wind there. And with the wind muff, I did. So that is a real live test on the Comic-Con microphone here on using an LG smartphone. So thanks for watching this. Let's go on to the final review. Hello again, friends. Welcome back. Final review on the Comica microphone attachments for your smartphone, Android device, GoPro, etc. So, as you can tell from the earlier demonstration, it works quite well as far as the sound reducing, the wind reducing technology of it, and this little guy seemed to be the best. So pretty impressed with it. The sound qualities, I mean, it's definitely an improvement. I could tell just by listening to it over, and the different clearly it does make a difference. So if you want to enhance the sound a little bit on your phone or your video or something like that, that's this is not a bad little way to go. So yeah, I was pretty impressed with it. It's well constructed. It's easy to hook up. The box is pretty cool. I mean, what more can I say? It works as advertised. It's a nice little microphone that improves your sound quality for your device. So thanks for watching this review, and everyone have a great day out there. We'll see you next time.